In this video I will show you how I make dancing statues videos using Kaiber. On the main page I click on Products up on top. Then I scroll down to where it says Transform and choose that option. Then I choose the first option, Flipbook. Then I click on Transform an existing video. I use a video of dancing people or person downloaded from Canva or elsewhere. Then I click on Continue to Prompt. Then where it says Describe Subject I type in Change Person to Statue. Next I choose the cinematic option instead of describing details myself, and the cinematic description is filled in automatically. Then I tap Video Settings. Then Generate Previews. This usually takes a while. I paused recording for the sake of time and then started recording after the previews were ready. As you can see, 4 previews are generated. I usually choose whatever I think is the best one. Once I know which one I am going to use, I click where it says Create Video. This is all I have to do. After that I just sit and wait for the video to be ready. This process takes even longer than generating the previews, so I paused the recording and continued it after the video was ready for the sake of time. Okay. Now you can see the new video and how the person in the original video is now a statue. That is all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons or leave a comment or any questions if the video was helpful. Have a wonderful day.